Hello. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we will make an advanced cartoon effect in Photoshop CC 2015.5 or higher. So let's get started. We will use this beautiful image from pexels.com. You can download it for free. The link is in the description. Then open it into your Photoshop. We will use a high-performance Photoshop feature. So make sure that your image dimensions are not big. To do that, go to Image, then Image Size, and change the dimensions. We recommended 3000 pixels, in the width, or in the height. We will also create a Photoshop action. This option will help us to ignore work repeating. That means, if you want to apply the same effect on other images, you can apply the action and get the same result in one click and within minutes. Open the Actions panel from Window, then Actions. You'll see the Action panel, and you may find the default actions set. Those are free actions provided by Photoshop itself. Inside the panel, click on the small menu icon in the top right corner. Then click on New Set. Give it any name, and click OK. Do the same thing with the action file. Click on New Action, and give it any name, then OK. Photoshop will start the recording automatically. Just follow me to understand how I did make this cartoon effect. Now, go to the Layers panel, and click on the menu icon in the top right, then click on Panel Options, and make sure you have checked this Copy Layers option. We are ready to start. First step, duplicate your background layer, and name it Cartoon Base. Convert it to a Smart Object layer. It's important to do that. Then edit the contents of this Smart Object layer. We need to recover the original image's tones and lights grades. To do that, go to Image, Auto Tones, Auto Contrast, Auto Color. You'll see the difference now. We have an image without any color and tone editing. Save this document and close it. Now, let's apply the cartoon effect structure. Go to Image, Shadows/Highlights, and make the amount between 30% and 40%. Depends on your image highlights. Don't make it too shiny. Then go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint. Make the stylization to 2.0, Cleanliness to 5.0, Scale to 3.0, Bristle Detail to 0.0, and finally disable the lighting. Next, go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and open the Artistic set. Select Poster Edges. And make edge thickness to 5, edge intensity to 1, posterization to 6. After that, go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur, and make Radius to 10, and the Threshold to 10. Next go to Filter, Blur, Smart Blur, and make Radius to 4.0, and Threshold to 10.0. Now, go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Inside the artistic set, select Cutout Filter. And make the number of levels to 7, edge simplicity to 4, edge fidelity to 2. Inside the Smart Filters, you'll see a small adjustments icon on the right. Double-click on it. Then change the mode to hard light, and the opacity between 30% and 40%. Come back to Filter, Filter Gallery. Inside the artistic set, select Cutout Filter, but this time, make the number of levels to 7, edge simplicity to 2, and edge fidelity to 2. Inside the Smart Filters, change its mode to Soft Light, and the opacity between 20% and 30%. Now you got the cartoon effect. But still need some improvements. Let's correct the image tones, after we have added those FXs. Add vibrance adjustment, and edit its value. Add +25 in the vibrance, and +25 in the saturate. Add curves adjustment, and edit its value. For the top point, make the input 245, and the output 255. Then jump to the bottom point, and make the input to 25, and the output to 0. Finally, add hue/saturation adjustment. Change the saturate to +15. And done. Let's organize our layers, to stop recording the action. Now, let's use the action on another image. Open your image inside Photoshop, and adjust its size. And before playing the action, make sure your background is locked. If not, go to Layer, New, Layer from Background. Then play the action. Wait for a few seconds, until the action finishes its processing. You may find your final result more tinted. Just edit the cartoon corrector's adjustments, and you'll get beautiful output. Because every image has its own tones grades. That's why we have added the tones correctors in the previous steps. That's all, thank you for watching. Have a great day, bye.